No one can resist the darkness in their soul. He couldn't have gotten far in his current state. We'll definitely find him if we follow the trail. There's no question about it. Don't worry. I'll take care of them before you return. One second. Stealing company property. Do you really think you can escape me? However, if you tell me where the magic doll is...
No, never!
You sound confident, old man. Well, all that's left is to ask you to die. Adventurer, you'd be wise to mind your own business. Otherwise, I'll have to deal with you.
Wait! Don't kill him! Just using all he's ever... Why must we fight when there are so many ways that we can work together? If I have your trust, please, just follow me. I'll explain everything. I need some star sand from Bathory's and some requiem grass. Bring me these, and I can make a sedative to calm the child. Magic owl doll. I found out that Aaron's soul kept jumping into different states of mania, and only when he swallowed the souls of the living was he calm. Thank you. We should be able to read the missing part now. Somebody lied to me? Is there something I should know about Aaron's death? I hid that diary in the underground research room. It's up to you to retrieve it, adventurer.